Today I want to talk about partial lookup. So we want to find match values that are part of bigger phrase. For example, those serial numbers are part of those codes. And the thing that is important for us, those serial numbers are unique. So we will find only one code with number we are looking for. So how can we find those numbers? With wildcards and lookup function. And we will be using in this example today asterisks that replace any text string, even empty one. So how can we use wildcards in lookup function? Let's start with the lookup function. And now we cannot find just serial number because we won't have exact match. We have to add asterisks to our numbers. So in double quotes we are writing first asterisk as a prefix for this number. So we have to combine text with asterisks. And now we will find any code where our number is at the end, because anything can be at the start of our text lookup value, but at the end there should be our number. But our number is in the middle of our code, so we also have to add our asterisk as a prefix. So ampersand and in double quotes once again asterisk. And now our lookup value is looking like an asterisk with numbers. So asterisk at the start and at the end of our lookup value. And now Ctrl Z here, and now we can just write other arguments for the lookup function. So we have to select this array, then we want manager name, so third column, and then we need exact match, so here false or 0, or and just like that we have find Henry. Yes, this is number for Henry. It was responsible. This number is for Gabriel. Yes, this number is for Gabriel. So we have found those values. So this is example with VLOOKUP function, and just wildcards for VLOOKUP function are by default turned on. But when you try to use wildcards with XLOOKUP function, you will not find them by default. So we have to once again add asterisk as a prefix, and then combine with this number and asterisk as the suffix. Okay, so here we go. So this number can be anywhere in the lookup codes, can be at the start, in the middle, and at the end, because asterisk can be also empty text string. Okay, so we can then go to the next argument, the lookup array. So in this example is this column, then return array is manager, so this column, and then we have to go to the fifth argument of XLOOKUP function to go wildcard character match. If I want to put here this value, XLOOKUP won't find this number. But if I add so here as a fifth argument of XLOOKUP function 2, then XLOOKUP can find proper values, corresponding values.